I'm Tom MacMillan. I'm a professor at the Royal Agricultural University. A lot of my time I spend working with farmers and on farming related issues, and cultured meat and cellular agriculture more widely could be massively impactful on our food system, on the ways that farming happens, issues like climate change, animal welfare and so on. But there are all sorts of assumptions wrapped up in those ideas of the benefits, and what we're doing in this strand of the work is really putting those to the test and opening them to scrutiny. So we're going to be working with people like farmers, farmers networks, maybe doctors, animal welfare specialists, seeing what they make of the ideas and possibilities that the scientists are exploring, but also, crucially, we're working with people who don't have any axe to grind on it, no prior stake in the issue at all, so members of the public drawn in at random, a bit like a citizens' assembly. It'll be a citizens' forum, and they will have the chance to get their teeth into the issues, debate them, and then help steer where the scientific effort gets put. If, for example, cultured meat becomes a big deal, what else do we not eat if we're eating cultured meat instead? Another issue that these groups might grapple with, particularly the Citizen Forum, is whether the products of cellular agriculture should be treated like ultra-processed foods. Does it matter whether we're eating them instead of foods we might otherwise be eating fresh, for example? If you're interested in following how this goes and maybe feeding in yourself, then please let us know and please get in touch.